Hi, I'm King 5 meteorologist Rich Merritt here with our King 5 Plus forecast. And, well, we continue in our cool and damp pattern, it looks like, that we've been in. It seems like forever, but really just about 2 weeks since we've had any warm temperatures and consistent sunshine around here. But unfortunately, yesterday, not much of a break in that. It only hit 60 degrees at the airport, 6 full degrees below what the normal high should be. We didn't get any measurable in the rain gauge out there, but I don't know if that compensates you or not for the cooler temperatures around the area. Take a look at this morning. You can see we did have quite a few showers around this morning, primarily from about Seattle northward on up the Canadian border. A little bit of convergence going on, squeezing out some rainfall, and also quite a bit of mist and drizzle went on during the morning commute, which really kind of dampened things down to begin the day. By sharp contrast, we actually had sunshine down around the Olympia area during the morning commute, being away from the convergence zone. And you can see it's about mid-morning how that's gradually fading. That should be mostly gone as we head towards midday to early afternoon. Most places this afternoon should clear out to at least a few sun breaks, if not partly sunny in spots. But it is going to be another cool day. Really not accumulating a whole lot of rain with this, though. We've continued to be, as you can see, for the month so far, not a whole lot. We're 0.6 of an inch behind there in Bellingham. The airport's only seen officially 0.02 of an inch of rain so far this month, which is way behind. It's almost getting close to an inch behind for the month. We don't get that much in the month of May anyway, and we're going into our dry season, so it would be nice to see a little bit more rain, which we will do in the next couple of days, just getting a little ahead of ourselves. And then there at Hoquiam out there towards the coast, they're only seeing 1/4 of an inch of rain. You can see they're well over an inch behind. So even though it's been cool and kind of showery, it really just hasn't produced much in the way of any quantities. Take a look out. Again, these pictures around mid-morning. We've got some raindrops on the camera lens there in Everett. In fact, we've had quite a few raindrops on the camera lenses all the way from Seattle northward during the course of the morning commute. And you see, looking out from that Queen Anne Tower cam, that's dried off at least temporarily, though looking pretty threatening. Things are gradually going to be clearing out a little bit and should turn partly sunny during the afternoon. And around the Tacoma area, they actually escaped most of this. They had cloudy skies, but you might have seen a couple of sprinkles, but otherwise pretty much a dry commute once you get down into the South Sound today. Take a look at those temperatures mid-morning, not moving much from what the lows were overnight, mostly upper 40s and low 50s to mid-morning. And we're not going to top out too much above that. It's going to be mostly in the upper 50s to right around 60 degrees for those highs today. And again, normal high is in the mid-60s, so still running well behind. First Alert 7-day forecast, you see no major changes in the forecast, at least certainly not in the direction you would like them to go. We are going to be looking for it to turn maybe a little wetter and a little bit cooler as we head towards the end of the weekend to start the weekend, which isn't the trend you really want at the middle part of May, but it'll be eventually we'll get that sunnier, warmer weather. Taking a quick look, you can see there at Avanti High School in Olympia how we did see that sunshine this morning, and it's a pleasant day. Of course, we'll be seeing a little bit more sunshine during the afternoon. Checking the computer model, you can see it shows the showers around today, and then as we move on through the day and into the afternoon, showers pretty much wrap up, and we do see clearing most spots, so just about everybody should at least get a glimpse of sunshine, if not turning partly sunny this afternoon. Overnight tonight, though, the clouds roll in and that next system moves in. It's a little bit stronger than what we've seen recently. That is going to be bringing us rain into the coastal beaches by probably around daybreak tomorrow, maybe a little after that. And then as we head towards midday, we'll see that push its way into Puget Sound with some steady rain with this front. It's definitely wetter than what we've seen recently. That's going to move on through, and it looks like that'll be moving out of there as we head towards the evening hours on Thursday. Then as we head on into Friday, we're going to see a little pause, it looks like, in the morning, but then we'll see increasing chance of rain headed away as we head towards Friday night. Taking a look at the rainfall out of this system, starting tomorrow morning, you can see not a big producer once again, but more than what we've seen recently. We're looking for maybe 1 to 2/10 of an inch of rain out of this. So again, any rain at this point is gratefully accepted around western Washington. Take a look at the high temperature forecast for today. Will be mostly in the upper 50s to right around 60 degrees. The hot spots might get into the low 60s today. And then as we head towards Thursday, it definitely cools off. We're going to see those highs dropping back to the mid 50s on Thursday. Thursday. So that's going to be quite a bit of cooling. You can see also up in the mountains cooling down. Stevens only getting up to about 39 degrees. And snow levels with this will probably drop down to maybe about 5,000 to 6,000 feet. So the good news is it does slow the snow melt when we have these cooler temperatures up in the mountains. So we're keeping more of our summer water in the bank, as it were. Take a look at as we head on into the weekend. On Friday, we're going to be looking for those temperatures warm just a little bit into the upper 50s to near 60 degrees. And then as we head into Saturday, and we should see the rain from Friday night into Saturday starting to clear out a little bit, we'll see upper 50s and low 60s. Checking back to the 7-day forecast, you can see once again today, we'll see those showers with clearing this afternoon, low 60s. Increasing rain moves in as we head towards tomorrow afternoon. Steady rain, mid to upper 50s tomorrow. As we head into Friday, just a few showers. Rain moves in Friday evening. That should turn to off and on showers on Saturday. I think those will be diminishing by Saturday afternoon. And then Sunday, just a few showers around with the temperatures in the low 60s with partly sunny skies. Monday and Tuesday, a couple of fast-moving systems zip through here, give us some showers around with some sun breaks, keep those high temperatures mostly in the low 60s. There is a little hope out there on the horizon. You can see as we head on through the week next week, and temperature finally starts to move up a little bit, getting back up to normal into the mid 60s as we move towards the end of the month of May.